Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers, welcome to all of you in my another new video tutorial or video lecture. In this video lecture, I will try to discuss about isometric drawing, how to read isometric drawing or how to interpret isometric drawing. Especially whoever working is engineering field and piping side. Every day we are using this type of drawing. Sometimes we got confusion how we read this type of drawing and how to interpret perfectly this type of drawing. I will try to discuss in this video tutorial or video lecture. I will try my best to explain to you how to read isometric drawing or how to interpret isometric drawing. I will request to all of you, please watch this video without escape any single point. Then you can learn something from this video. And I will request all more things. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you think this video tutorial is useful for you and your friend, please don't forget to share, like, and you must write some comments in comment section. How was this video or how was this video tutorial? I am requesting to you, please give your feedback. Okay, let's start today video tutorial. This video tutorial I given the name is how to read isometric drawing. So how we read or how we interpret isometric drawing, these are the things I will try to discuss in this video as much as possible. Okay, first of things we will know what is the isometric drawing. So isometric drawing is an isometric allow the designer to draw an object in 3 dimensions. So we can say very simply, isometric drawing is the 3-dimensional drawing. Wherever you can see the 3 dimension is there. Then isometric drawing are also called isometric projection. So in isometric drawing, what are the information is available, I will show you now. Okay, first of things we can see in this corner, this is called the this part called the title box. In this title box written have the project name. Here was the one project name. Then production block or compartment, that means location. If you use your drawing, you can see there have written on location or specific location is there. So this is the production block or compartment name, or you can say the location. Then line number, what is the line number for this pipe? So this is the line number. Then pipeline level, so in level what will be the written is there. The spool number in this drawing, spool 1, spool 2, spool 3, spool 4, spool 5, spool 6. So in this point I tell you one more things. Normally we are calling the isometric drawing and spool drawing. So spool drawing is the single spool is single pages showing, that is actually we are called the spool drawing. If so many spool is together in on sheet, that is we calling the iso drawing actually. But iso drawing can be the single spool in single page also. This for only information. Then the arrangement drawing reference number, this is the arrangement drawing for this spool drawing. Then spool drawing number, then iso page number. So this is the second page, so sheet on of 1. Then treatment, what type of treatment will be there? So cleaning, here writing the cleaning. The revision number, so this isometric drawing revision number is 0 and piping class is 3. So this the basic information is mentioned in title box. Second things is on top of this we can see the general notes. So this the general notes. I will request to you, please if you want to read this, please pause the video and you can read from here. Okay, we will go to the next point. Okay, so we see already there the 6 spools. So spool 1 we can see from here, spool 1, spool 2, SP means spool, then spool 3, spool 4, spool 5 and spool 6. So 6 spool is here. Okay, then we will see in this corner, left corner here, this is the called the bill of material. That means material details is here. So in this drawing we are seeing the fabrication material and erection material. So here showing the separately, this is the material we need the during fabrication stage. So this is called the fabrication material, and erection material, this is the material we need during erection stage. So if we get this material in our hand, so we can start the fabrication. Okay, what are the information here is the point number 1, 2, 3. What is the meaning of 1, 2, 3? And erection material showing 4, 5, 6. What is the meaning? Okay, let's see this one we will see from pipe. This box we can see the box, this is the 1. Then we can see from here 1, 1, 1. So this 1 means this 1. So 1 means ASME the B36.10 pipe seamless available in schedule 20 STM A106 grade B. So this 1 is meaning, so here have the 1 pipe. This pipe is ASME B36.10 pipe, seamless pipe, and schedule is the 20 and pipe grade is STM A106 grade B. So I hope you understand. Wherever we see this inside box is 1, that is mean this 1. So this item is this item. Okay, clear? I hope clear this point. Then we see the here 2. So we will find the 2. 2 means what? 2 is the fittings. So ASME B16.9 elbow 90 degree LR long radius bevel in bato welt schedule 20 STM A234 WPB seamless. So this 2 we find where is the 2. So this 2 means we will find this 2 is where is available. So here have any flange have or not, we will check. Sorry, the fittings. So this is the elbow. So we can see here is the 2. I hope you are seeing my cursor. So I check here. Okay, this 2. So this 2 means this elbow. So wherever have the 2, we can find out this elbow. Okay, I hope you understand. Then third point is 3, supports penetration. So what is the support? We can see the S3, S3, S3. So this the meaning is support and supports penetration. So penetration type supports is here available. So we can see from here penetration, 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 penetration. So these are the things mentioned in 3. So this is the details for penetration. Then we go to the erection material. Erection material we can see here is the 4 is the pipe support. So PS31 4101. So this is the pipe support symbol. So we can see from here S4, this is the pipe support. So HL01 PS31 4101. So this support number is here mentioned. So in this drawing whatever support have, these things also mentioned in bill of material inside. I hope you understand. Then we go to the number 5. 5 is special support. This is also support. So you can see there's 5. So this is the special support is here. So special supports. Then 6 is the NB non-tight slip. So you can see the 6 where have okay 6. This is the non-watertight slip. So this one also the non-watertight slip. So for slip details we have to refer the standard for your information. Then S6 is the non-watertight slip. So I hope you understand what is the meaning of this PT number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The same things is drawing also mentioned. So we have to check what the mention in drawing and what is the description in bill of material. Then this is also the size, nominal size. What is the nominal size? Then quantity, white material code here is mentioned. Same things also the here also mentioned. Okay, I hope you understand what is the meaning of bill of material and how we cross check with the drawing and this bill of material details. Okay, next point we will go to the below. So cut pipe length. In this point showing the cutting pipeline. So here also showing the 1 2 3 4 5. So